The weather is improving and the air show is looking great. Here's the view from WLKY Chopper HD. And what a unique perspective there. And what has happened was the cloud ceiling has raised up high enough, so now we can do these, well, I say we, I mean, I'm not flying. I wish I knew how to do that, but besides these upside down loops, they can go straight up, to get some vertical height on that. Carolyn, would you like to ride along at something?
No, thank you. I like where I'm sitting right now watching that.
Exactly. Look at that. Whoa, that is just awesome. All right, I'm going to do some weather, and if I have time at the end of the weather, we'll see if we can catch a little bit more of that. But that was amazing there. I want to talk about this fireworks smoke for tonight. Northeast winds will continue as the evening goes on. What that means is, with the two sets of barges and the fireworks lighting up along the 2nd Street Bridge, it's going to be blowing toward the southwest, so toward the Kentucky side of the river. Now, as long as the winds stay at 10 miles per hour or stronger, it'll blow out pretty fast. The smoke will not linger. You may get obstructed briefly, but wherever you are, you should have a great view. However, the best view will be in Indiana from the 2nd Street Bridge to I-65. You'll be able to see your first set of barges, no problem, and the whole bridge, no problem there. That's the Rockies, Buckheads, Kingfish area there. Ashland Park, also, pretty good view there also. Now, on the Kentucky side of the river, I have worst view here. And again, if the winds are fine, it's not going to be that bad of a view. It still should be great. But the Belvedere, under River Road, and then 4th Street Wharf, that whole area there, you'll probably have the most smoke blocking your fireworks. So hope for the winds to continue. Yeah, it'll be cold with those winds, but you'll be able to see those fireworks. It'll be great. 55 at Louisville International right now, down to as low as 53 here at our studios just east of downtown. 56 our high today. 49 was a low, and about a quarter of an inch of rain. That 56, by the way, was our coolest afternoon since April 1st. And we may not see another afternoon this cool again for the rest of the season. It's just bad timing, Mother Nature. I don't like this. Moderate air quality today for the pollen count, be low over the next couple of days. Everybody's in the 50s across the area right now. Coolest at Springfield at 50 degrees. And you go out west of us where the sun is beginning to come out, St. Louis and places like that, the temperatures are into the 60s. A lot of clouds here, as I said before. This area of rain in Illinois is drying up. The storms in Tennessee kind of blocked, second time today, blocked some of the moisture coming up from the Gulf, so that helped dry us out faster this afternoon. Tomorrow, we're going to be right in the borderline. We're going to see this clearing line. Right now, it's projected to be just south of Louisville. So north of Louisville, you'll be sunny. Here, we'll call it partly sunny, and then cloudy with a chance of showers to the south of us, especially Bardstown, E-Town, on south from there. So we'll see how that goes. But these clouds would do a number on the temperatures, struggling to hit 60 at Campbellsville. And in Seymour and Paoli, you'll get up around 70. So the more sun, the warmer it'll be. Slight chance of a shower, 48 tonight. And then tomorrow will be dry. Chance of a shower south of Louisville. We'll see partly sunny, 67 here. Look at this beautiful forecast. 73 Monday, 80 Tuesday and Wednesday. We do have a chance for some thunderstorms Wednesday night and then again next Friday or Saturday. But at least we're done with the 50s. Hopefully till next fall. We'll see, though.
I like that. I hope you're right about that.
Well, it's kind of going out on a limb there, but I'm famous for that.